Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag Technology Tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn how to install and configure of Nagios 11 with the PostgreSQL 16 on Ubuntu 24.0 for LTS. So, first question is that what is the Nagios 11? Nagios 11 is the enterprise-grade IT infrastructure monitoring platform that helps organizations to monitor the availability, performance, and health of their entire IT environment. So it is a commercial edition of the Nagios Core with a web-based interface, advanced features, and enterprise support. So in previous videos, we have already seen the how to configure the Nagios Core. So now we are going through the Nagios 11. So key feature of the Nagios 11 is the centralized monitoring. So there is a monitor server, network devices, application, databases, and services, and more. Web-based dashboard provide the customized dashboards, visualizations, and detailed status view. And automated alert and notification. We can send the alert via email, SMS, Slack, and other integrations with issue occurs. Reporting and analytics. So, including the availability reports, SLA tracking, trends, and capacity planning. So, configure wizards. Easy to use wizard for quick setup and configuration without deep Nagios core knowledge. So, scalability and multi-tenancy. So, suitable for the small and large enterprise, MSPs, and distributed teams. Integration and extendability. So, support Nagios plugin API, third party integration, example ServiceNow and PagerDuty. So, these are the key features of the Nagios 11. Now we are going for the typical use cases. So server and network devices, health monitoring, application performance monitoring, APM, database and web server service uptime check, and virtualization and cloud infrastructure monitoring, and security event monitoring. This is the basic. So SLA and compliance reporting. So there is a two editions is there, Nagios Core and Nagios 11. So Nagios Core is the free open source manual configuration required, and paid enterprise version with the GUI, automation, and support. This is for the Nagios 11. So now we will go for the installation and configuration of Nagios 11 with the PostgreSQL 16 on Ubuntu 24.0 for LTS. So prerequisites is that we should have Ubuntu 24.0 for LTS server, static IP I am giving 192.168.1.7, and we have a root or sudo access, minimum 4 GB RAM recommended. So we have already server is running with the VMware workstation that you can able to see 24.0 for LTS is running. This is my node 1. I am going to access this server. While installing, we have given the username and password. So node 1, I'm going to access SSH DPT at the rate 192.168.1.7. So put their password while installing you have given. So sudo su. So side by side I'm gonna do this. So first update, system update and basic setup. So log into your server. So we are already logged in, password is admin at the rate 123, sudo su, super user. Then we are going to update and upgrade. Next, this is showing to the sudo reboot, means we have to restart the server. Sometime we need to restart, but maximum time no need to restart the server. So here I'm not going to restart the server. So in the step 2, we'll install the Postgres 16. So Postgres 16 repositories are already added with the Ubuntu 24.0 for LTS. So no need to add the repositories. So for the installation, you can visit my another video. There is a Postgres SQL 16 installation will be there. So here I'm directly installing Postgres 16 and Postgres 16 client. Next, we will go for the check the PostgreSQL status. After installing, you can check the PostgreSQL status for the Postgres is running or not, and then we'll enable the server PostgreSQL. So whenever the system will start on the boot automatically the PostgreSQL. So here we can check the status active and running. Okay, this is active and running. Now I am going to enable this. Then go for the step 3. There is a configure of the PostgreSQL on Nagios 11. Switch to the Postgres user and open the PSQL. So this is a default database. We are logged in. Now create a Nagios 11 database user. We are creating, this is a simple command, create user Nagios 11 with password Nagios XI @123, and this is the super user. Create a database. So my database name is Nagios and ownership will be the Nagios 11. And now create the Nagios SQL database for the Nagios QL for if needed. So we are creating, we'll use this one also. Now exit from the PostgreSQL. Go to the step 4, there is a configure the PostgreSQL authentication, and I'm going to allow the IP with the 7 also. Okay, done. Now I did the PostgreSQL authentication and configuration. Okay, PostgreSQL here we are configure PostgreSQL. Okay, leave it. So next PostgreSQL authentication and config authentication. So open the HBA file. HBA file is the PostgreSQL host-based authentication. So go to the end and add this thing. So here I am allowing the host Nagios to Nagios XI and all the host and all the users to this range of the IP address. So here we are added like this. Okay, this is the database, this is the user, this is the IP address here, and this is the method MD5 I'm using message digit 5 for the password. Next, restart the PostgreSQL. Simple command sudo systemctl restart PostgreSQL. Now test the connection. Let me test the connection and put the password. So password you have, there is a password already written there. So I'm logged in, and this is the with the database Nagios. Okay, so control go out of that. So now move to the step 5. There you will install the required dependencies. Just copy this. There's a PHP, all the requirement, all the libraries, dependencies. We are going to install this. So after completing the dependencies, you can go to download and install the Nagios 11. So we'll create the temporary directory. There's a Mac directory and inside the temp folder. So oh, create this and we'll move to the temp folder. Now we'll download the Nagios 11 latest version. ETA is the 25-second approx. Then we'll extract the tar file. Okay, completed. Now we'll extract this. Extract is completed. Move to the folder and there we'll run the installer. Full installer. Yes. Password admin@123. Admin@123. Nagios SQL password admin@123. So it will take some time. So I'm waiting for that. Let it complete. Still running, it will take some more time. It will take some more time. Total time near about 15 to 20 minutes. So wait for that. Process is still running. I'm waiting for the complete. Full installation is still running. Still running, waiting for complete. Installation is still running. So 9% is completed, still going on. Still running? Installation is still running. I'm waiting for complete. Still waiting to complete. Still running. So configuration check, total error is 0 and warning is also 0. So installation is completed. Now we can access through the this one. This is the IP address. We can access through this. So Here no need to change anything. I am going through the trial version, and free you can go through the limited also, and license version is there. So click on next. Password admin at the rate 123 I'm putting, then finish installation. So we have done this thing. Now log into Nagios. So there is a admin. Okay. My user is not this one. Go down. Nagios admin. Password is admin at the 123. Submit. And this is your dashboard. Okay. You can go through the tour also. So if you want to do the Postgres configuration, go down. Okay, this part. So here configure the Nagios 11 for the Postgres. You can go through that, and you can configure this one for the edit modified database setting. So let me open this. So find the configuration, and you can add this one, this configuration. Okay. So next, this is a configuration for the Nagios, and like that you can configure for the ND0202 DB for the Postgres, and database type will be the Postgres. So all the details you have to provide. You have to restart the services and allow the port if you need, and finally you can access the Nagios. If you are using SSL, then you can use the HTTPS. So this is the username, password, and verify the configuration. You can run through this and you can check this. So step by step process is given there. So I have done up to the Nagios installation, and here you can check the warnings and all the things. So there is a root partition, there is a warning for free space, and if you want to add the new host, then go to the configuration, and there is a core configuration, host, add new host. Okay, add a new host, you can give the detail, you can add this. So like this you can do. And for the backup, I have given the all the queries, so those are there. So nothing else. So finally verification, web interface is done, services is done, database configuration is done. For that you can do it, and monitoring all the things. So in this video we have learned how to install and configure the Nagios 11 on with the Postgres 16 on Ubuntu 24.04 LTS. Step by step process is given there. For any doubts and query, please write on the YouTube video comment section. Follow the process shown in the video. Don't forget to subscribe for the more videos. Don't forget to follow, like, share and comment. Hope this will help. Thank you for watching.